Hello everybody, and in today's video we will be unboxing my new Emirates Airbus A380. So this model is in the 1 to 250 scale, so it's decently a large one, as you can see. This model also does contain some specifications about what livery this is, the dimensions, the configuration. So I just want to ask, any guesses about where this model may have come from? This is actually an official Emirates product. You can see over here it says official licensed product with a unique tag, so it's really nice to have got this. And those of you wondering, it's not that expensive. It's insanely cheap compared to the usual models, but this doesn't have landing gear, so it's about £10 less than the Herpa Snap Fit one, which is very identical to what I'm going to be unboxing today. So without any further ado, let's get on to unboxing this thing. Now I'm going to have to put, oh, it's so hard. Right, there's quite a few items in here, so let's just get the main fuselage outside. This is the first time I'm unboxing a 1 to 200 scale model, yet alone a professional looking model. Let's just still have it on the strapper and get the other things out. So this is the tail. As you can see, it's in the new livery, if you haven't already guessed. The registration of this aircraft is Alpha 6 Echo Oscar Golf. Okay, and then we've got the wings. Oh no, the engines are not on there. The engines, as you can see, are dismantled. Maybe when we unbox the wings, we may find a solution to this. And the last thing, there's two last things. So the last thing we have is, of course, the stand and the horizontal stabilizers. So let's put this box aside and get on with unboxing. As you can see, it is huge already. This is going to be even more massive when I put the wings on. See, the cockpit is insanely detailed. You know, my last Emirates model, it wasn't an official Emirates thing, it was, you know, something else, and it was really small, and I'll tell you, it was real paint, real metal, even this is plastic, but still it's extremely high quality. I'm still doubting whether this is a plastic model or not. Drop it down in the comments below. The cockpit is so detailed. The cockpit on my older model faded out. So let's put the tail on, since it's probably the most easiest thing to do. Right, so now we've got the tail. This thing is already looking like a real aeroplane already. And now let's do the vertical stabilizers actually. Let's start small and do the biggest last. Well, how do you open this thing? How do you open this thing? How do you open it? Right, so these are the vertical stabilizers, and now my challenge is to find out which one goes into which one, because if I flip it and then turn it on, so this vertical stabilizer, automatically you'd be thinking it goes into this one, but if I flip it, now you'd say it should go into this one. Oh wait, it's already fitting. Wait, if it's already fitting, then let's just fit it in anyway. Right. So I think it's fitting. I think it's fitting properly. Okay, it fit. Now I know what is meant to go in what, and this thing is getting better and better every single second. So now let's unbox the wings. So, oh, it looks like the engines are meant to have come off. Looks like they're meant to have come off, but you can see the attention to detail is insane on this. There's the aircraft registration, even the Emirates logo is on this thing, but what can I expect? It's a 1 to 200 scale. Of course they would have had to make it extremely detailed. I think this part is metal, as you can see. So let's try the other wing. Let's try the other wing. One don't work. We should give the other one a chance. So let's actually put this in a bit more carefully. Ouch. This does hurt a lot. I definitely recommend getting some help if you're not good at putting stuff together, as you can see, just like me. The wings shouldn't be on an angle, shouldn't they? Anyway, we'll leave it for now. No, actually, no. Let's just forget about the wings for now and just put in this vertical stabilizer. Wait, how do I put it again? Okay. Yes. See, this goes in easily. Right, what we're going to do instead is we are going to unbox the engines of it. There is the engines. It is so insanely detailed. You can see there's the Emirates logo. It's white. Compared to my old model, it was just grey. There was no branding on it. And then there's the engine coil and stuff. And then there's this little hole to attach the engine in. Now, it don't matter which engine goes into which engine coil as long as it's in the right place. Like, not under the vertical stabilizer. Like how Swiss would do it. And the one problem is I can't find a way to assemble the wing in properly. Is it because I'm doing it wrong? Is it like in the wrong place or something? So as you can see, it looks beautiful with the engines. You can see literally they hand printed the Emirates logo in full quality. It's not like they decided, oh, let's make it lower quality because it's such a small thing. No, they did not think about that. They made sure that the full Emirates logo was on there. Every small detail, every small speck, just like how it is on the engines. So now let's reattempt putting this in once again. Yes, we did it! We did it! Now let's put the engines in. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is quite durable for plastic. Or metal. Whatever your opinion on it, about it is. Right, let's put this in properly. Right. Now, wait, once we attach the vertical stabilizer, even though we haven't, not vertical, I'm getting my things get confused. This is the vertical stabilizer and this is the horizontal stabilizer. It already looks like a real plane, like it's as if fully completed, even though, as you can see on this side, it is not. So let's finish up the model by taking this off. Yes, we've got this in as well. Now I'm gonna put the engines in and we're done with the model. So yeah, it looks decent, doesn't it? What I'm going to do is I am going to open this up, aka the stand. Right. Right, let's assemble it. So on this thing, it does contain some basic and important information, like the airline, obviously, the aircraft and what scale it's in. So let's get this. And I've always had a problem with stands. I don't know why. Just don't fancy them. Well, they don't fancy me because they never like fitting into where they are supposed to be. Wait, never mind. Right, now it's time for the big reveal. There we have it, the Emirates Airbus A380. This is a beautiful model in the 1:250 scale, and so this is the newest addition to my very small collection of aircraft models.